What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the GreenHornet channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a Cinewhoop that I believe is the future of cinematography of the flying cameras. And the reason why I say that is that we're seeing business owners want to get a new perspective of how to advertise. So they're getting the Cinewhoops to fly through their, businesses to give you a new look. How a customer perceives the walkthrough of their business, right? So for us to fly GPS 3-axis stabilized camera drones, I believe you should consider this drone in your next person. And this drone is called the IFlight GreenHornet. And the GreenHornet, it's actually a very unique little booger that is a 3-inch Cinewhoop that can carry a GoPro and fly through this tight spaces to give you that perspective that's so different that it's the next wave or the future of advertisement, I think. So it's kind of similar to what we see in the Skydio type videos. So, but again, we don't have the 3-axis stabilized camera, and it's a lot smaller and it can get through tight spaces. All right, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to jump into this web page here, and then we're going to talk about the specs, and then I will see you on the other side of the screen capture of the web specs. So let me get into that right now. All right. All right, I'll see you on the other side. So I'm going to jump into that website that we're talking about, banggood.com, and we're going to get into the iFlight GreenHornet. So let's get into it. So here we are. Okay, so here's the web page, and it actually looks pretty good, guys. So we see the pictures here. You can see that the GoPro's mounted on the front. This is a very nice 3-inch Cinewhoop that has the latest 408 key carbon frame, which are housed or encased in this rubber bumper, so it will definitely take a beating and keep on ticking, right? So let's just take a look at some of the pictures. Very nice. It's a really nice layout. Take a look at that. So it gives you it looks like they have the XT60 battery connector, so that's nice. So it's going to be a 4S battery, so that makes it very attractive. And there's the top view, front view, and it's weighing in at just a bit under 260 grams. Okay, so let's get into the specs here. So let's talk about some of the specs. So nice thing about it here is got these 1408 motors. Very nice. Oh, very nice camera here. The Cadex camera. The wheelbase, bottom plate, top plate. The 3-inch propellers. Very nice. When it talks about the weight, like I said, 260 grams, a little less. Some of the other things worth mentioning here is that it comes with a little stubby antenna that is good with your FPV, 5.8 gigahertz FPV. The other thing worth mentioning is that you're going to have the smart audio too. Interesting. Let me read a couple things here. And the 40 amp EFC, so that's really important here. All right, top quality T700 quality carbon. So it gives you 40% more tensile. This one's key. This will definitely survive. Wow. And here's your 35 amp EFCs. So that is it for the specs on this side. So here's what it comes in it. You get the Hornet, you get your blades, and you get your LiPo battery. And there's the pictures. Very nice quality, looks like. This thing will definitely be able to hit walls and trees and branches and probably won't hurt anything because it's got all these bumpers, and it's got the latest carbon fiber, right? The T700 carbon fiber, so it's lighter and stronger. And there's that stubby antenna with the XT battery connector for the 4S battery. And there's the top view of it. And here's the GoPro mount view and the FPV camera down here. All right, and there's the close-up view of the battery connector and the stubby antenna for your FPV. And it gives you a good view of the guard of your props along with the foam bumpers. So it gives you a 10% angle on your camera mount, and it's showing that it weighs 12 grams. All right, so that is it. I'm gonna then drone camps put this together, and this is a very nice video how he does it. So it gives you a flavor how an Insta360 camera looks like. Wow, that is fantastic. So that's why I'm thinking this is the future of the next generation of cinematography, because it gives you that different view that we normally don't get in the 3D on 3-axis mechanically stabilized GPS drones. This is wide open FPV flight. So, all right, let me stop this video here and go back. And you can see Jason there doing his review on the web page. There's somebody else doing the IFlight GreenHornet. So here I am. I'm back on the other side of the video. Yeah, this drone is definitely worth considering purchasing for the next wave for us that fly GPS drones that have the 3-axis mechanically stabilized cameras. This is going to be what I think I'm going to get into next, because of the fact that it just opens up a new arena or a new adventure of how to fly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, as usual, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, I'll see you guys in future videos. Thanks again for watching the GreenHornet channel. You guys enjoy your day. Bye-bye.